Tutorial: how to use a daily request sheet. This is what the sheet looks like entirely. This is my personal sheet and this is a blank sheet. Don't mind the white part here, it's an error. Now this behavior and action section will come blank as you're seeing. Mine is already filled. And here you have the days of the week. This is a 7-day sheet. Here you have the achieved, the goal section and the net section. The goal section will also come empty. You have to fill it per your own goals. Now here I set 7 as a goal, here 6 as a goal, here 3 as a goal, and here 1 as a goal. Each of my daily actions has a set goal for the week. Here I want it to be performed 7 times. So at the end of each day, after I have performed the goal, I mark it. Next day I mark it. Next day I mark it. At the end of the week, I will come and hide the total in the corresponding box and compare it to the goal I was fixing myself at the beginning of the week. Now after doing this, I will subtract my achieved number from the goal. If my goal is more than my achieved, then I have some more activities to do. And if my achieved is more than my goal, then very good. At the end, I will do a total of the number of times I have achieved the goals overall, and the same for total goals. Here is the date range. For each week, I'm going to use a sheet. I'm going to mark the date down here, and here is a code I use to